Frederick is my colleague from BlenderDiplom. He lives in the north, in Berlin. I'm Gottfried Hofmann from the south, from Bamberg. And we went on to find out whether there is different blenders in Germany, in the north and the south. So first we went to the north. We found it! And if you take a look at the sign, it's so high because it gets stolen all the time. But if you look around a bit, you will find another sign that's not so high, so you can even climb it. And that one actually probably got stolen because the year before it was all green from all the dirt. And this year it was really clean, so somebody probably took it. We went to look a little further because when Blender changed from left-click select to right-click select, my joint here started to hurt, so I needed some physiotherapy. And now, this was the Blender in the north. Let's take the Blender tour.
The Blender tour goes from Blender to Blender by cycles. So you can see Blender in the north is almost at sea level, while Blender in the south is a little higher. And you can see it takes about 40 minutes using cycles. EV's called motorcycles. It's about 8 hours. So you can see that the steepness of this trip, as I said, it's from Blender to Blender, actually coincidentally resembles the Blender learning curve.
After reading this great book on our 40-hour trip by cycles, we put the cycles away and we continue on foot on the Blender way, which leads upwards. And the mountain is called the Blender. This is the Blender in the south. And Blender is over 1,000! And you see here that I'm up here almost all alone, so that wasn't so nice. And that's why we decided to go up there again.